Traders, in this video, we're going to be exposing a scammer. I want to start off by saying I do not invest money for my subscribers. I will never ask you guys to send me money. I will never ask you guys to send me money using apps like PayPal, Venmo. I will never ask you guys to send me money. All right. So today we have someone who has created a fake Relentless Trader account and are pretending that they are me and trying to sell MMU, which is a course that I have, to someone for $100. But as you guys know, guys, MMU, there's a full website, everything at Teachable with all the information that you guys would ever need to know over there. There's no way that if it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true. I will never be selling MMU for $100, and especially using things like PayPal. So when they say PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, these type of things, I will never use those softwares, guys. I will never ask you to send me money. All right. So stay safe in this front. Also, there's talks about Bitcoin wallets, options trading, mirror trading, copy trading. I do not invest money for my subscribers. All right. So be careful of the spam in the YouTube comment section, on TikTok as well, in the comment sections. I will never ask you to contact me using Telegram or WhatsApp. So guys, be very careful out there. Stay safe. Pay attention. Another red flag is that I'll never message you first. I never message people randomly. I will never message someone first out of the blue with no reasoning. All right. So if you see a random message coming in from someone named Relentless Trader, it's a fake. Immediately, it's a fake. All right. So stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Um, I do not invest money for my subscribers. You guys have to really watch out because, there's actual people. It's not just bots. There's people sitting there by their computer thinking, how can I scam somebody? And so they're coming up with different methods and different, tactics to try and get, people. So I will never ask you to click on any weird link. All the information that I will ever have will be in a professional manner, listed in my description, for example. So let's say you're watching a YouTube video, with Relentless, you're watching a recap with me. If you scroll down below the video, you'll be able to see all my links, right? So for example, here on YouTube, if you guys are to come down and come to the description down here, you'll be able to see all the professional and proper links. The Discord, the course, Momo Pro, TraderView, and so forth, with social media links. All right. So guys, do not get caught for the trickery. All right. Do not get caught for the trickery. Um, I will never be doing anything informal. Everything will be done professionally when it comes to the course through Teachable on the course website, which I can pull up right now to show you guys. Everything will be done professionally. All right. If you're paying for MMU, you're checking out, you come to the bottom of this page here. Here's the options to enroll. There is no informal way or using Cash App or PayPal or anything like that, right? Through weird emails. So stay safe out there, and I'll catch you guys later. Be sure to hit the thumbs up on this video. That way it pushes it into the algorithm and more, members can see and end up staying safe out there. All right, guys.